Do you like chocolate? That was rhetorical. It's time for Library Make. Cooking with your child can have lots of developmental benefits, improving fine motor skills, vocabulary, listening skills, counting, the list goes on and on. Cooking is also a great sensory exercise for kids, as is playing with clay or Play-Doh. So today I'll show you how to make your own non-toxic Play-Doh with your child. And just because, we're going to make it chocolate. Keep watching to learn how. For this craft you'll need 3/4 of a cup of baking mix, or use gluten-free baking mix if needed, 1/4 of a cup of salt, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of oil, plus some cooking tools, measuring cups and spoons, a pot, a stove, a spoon to mix it all, and a container to store the Play-Doh when you're done. And some things for playtime later. Mini cupcake liners, a toy rolling pin if you have one, cookie cutters, sprinkles, empty chocolate boxes, and so on. Let's get cooking. First, read the recipe card with your child. Click the link in the description below for a printable recipe card. Allowing your child to participate in the whole process of cooking allows them to reap all the learning benefits. Next, put on aprons and measure out all the ingredients with your child and practice those counting and early math skills. Put all the dry ingredients in the pot, the baking mix, salt, and cocoa, and let your child stir them together. Add the wet ingredients, oil and water, and stir them well too. You should have a runny batter at this point. Now put the pot on the stove and heat it on medium-high. This part is for an adult or older child. Stir the batter, scraping the sides as you cook. When it forms a ball of dough, remove the pot from the stove. Once the dough cools, your Play-Doh is ready. Now it's time to play. First, let your child try kneading it like actual dough. Feel the consistency of your Play-Doh together. Could it use some more baking mix or oil to make it feel less sticky? Then knead some in. Now play with the dough. Use the rolling pin and cookie cutters and such to make fun pretend treats. Package them in cupcake liners in the empty chocolate box. This has tons of benefits too. By playing pretend, your child can practice narrative skills, and by playing with Play-Doh, they're honing their fine motor skills and ability to process sensory input, or in this case, their sense of touch. Have fun cooking and playing together. Your child can also gain these same learning benefits from making actual cookie dough or bread dough, just don't let them eat too much. Our chocolate Play-Doh is perfectly edible too, and while it may smell good, it's a little salty. Happy making. I think I need some water.